Morning, y'all. Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes again. Today we got a little bit more fun of a project going on. We're in the Land O'Lakes area, just off a nice, actually, little lake here back in the backyard. Beautiful little property. This homeowner's got flooding around the front of their house and the side yard and in the backyard. Biggest problem right here is this porch. All the water is coming from up on this hill down onto the porch and collecting right here, starting to cause some wood rot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a concrete saw, we're going to be cutting a trench in here, dropping a catch basin in the lowest point. That will be redirected out this direction towards where Joe's digging, around the side yard, connecting in the downspouts. And then we've got a nice downhill slope. Once we get to this back area, we're going to be putting in some catch basins along the back screen doors, tying in this downspout, teeing it into this line, and taking it back there. That way their house is protected from any kind of excess water. It's going to be messy. Let's get to it. Concrete and cut now. Every time I talk, something loud happens. You can see pretty thin slab, so that was pretty easy to get through today. We got lucky, no rebar, nothing like that. I did completely forget to talk about safety protection, so make sure you got your gloves on. Got some gloves that Joe happened to grab on the store yesterday, so that's cool. Got your eyepiece on. You got to wear glasses. I like these ones because they're green and they match our company colors, and Amazon had a 50% off discount when I ordered them. They make everything look green though, so that's kind of a downside. And then you got to have some ear protection as well. These are Amazon Tozos. They're pretty good Bluetooth wireless, and just make sure you got some Zach Bryan playing in there because his new album is fire.
Are we doing paid advertisements now?
No, unless Zach Bryan wants to pay us, but that'd be cool just a little bit because I spent a lot of money on those tickets, and I thought the tickets would be a lot cheaper than they were supposed to, ever become. So I might have to go see some Oliver Anthony instead, since he's turning down big concert venues when they overcharge. Unfortunately. Zach, I still love you though. Since day one, been there. Anyways, back to the job. All right, y'all, we're making a mess. Pipes in. Got PVC for underneath the concrete, a little bit more sturdy. Then we've got some corrugated pipe running the rest of the way. Good depth, good slope. Coming around this way, we have a catch basin, and we'll keep running down. As you can see, sod's back on. We're about to the gate now. It's hot. We're not even worrying about filming today.
It's very hot, boys and girls.
Florida doesn't get winter. This is unfair. All right, y'all, we're about finished up with this job here. I know we did a terrible job filming today, but we are not videographers. We install drain systems, and it was hot as hell today, so we did not put the work in as far as videotaping goes. But you can tell by his dirtiness, he put it out here where it matters. All right, quick overview. Had a bunch of flooding here on this area. We got a catch basin here in this corner at a low spot. Went ahead, cut this concrete. Now we got some wet concrete drying there. Got a drain here. Goes down and they tee in, coming this way and coming this way, teeing in this way. Where we've got catch basin number 2. Right here in the middle. This slab that they had poured was doing absolutely nothing. These are tiny gutters. They hardly have any water coming from the gutter. It's all coming from this gully, which is coming from up the hill. This line runs down. And in the back here, pretty simple. You got this downspout connected, catch basin right there at a low spot by the screen door. Make sure we protect the foundation. And it leads back out to these trees where we've got a pop-up emitter, making sure we're low enough and far enough away from the house. Pretty much covers the job. Not too big one today, just real messy, real dusty, real damn hot. If you guys need any drains, if you're in the area, if you guys are looking to install your own, check out our other videos, subscribe, find out some tips, maybe something that'll help you in the future whenever you go do your own, or just educate you a little more before you have one installed at your own property. Damn, I'm winded. All right, Joe, you got anything to say?
The closer we get to winter, the happier I get, because it's a hot one here in Florida.
Yep, yeah, that's fair, that's fair. All right, we'll go ahead, click the notification, but we're new to YouTube. Click the notification bell, subscribe. I'm gonna try to put a subscribe right here by Joe's face if he's in the frame. We're gonna go home now, cool off. Catch y'all later.